Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Hotel Front Office Dialogue, Part 1. Today, we will share a few real-life hotel front office conversations. If you want to have a decent career in hospitality field, then you should carefully observe each situation, and try to understand how hotel staffs handle their guests with utmost professionalism. Hotel Front Office Dialogue, filling the registration card. Receptionist: Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you? Guest: I have a reservation for a suite room for 3 nights. Receptionist: May I have your name, sir? Guest: I am Glenn Rockwell from Australia. Please pause the video and click on this subscriber button. Receptionist: Yes, sir. We have your details. You are Mr. Glenn Rockwell of ABM Corporation from Australia. Welcome to XYZ Hotel. You booked a suite room for 3 nights from 12th December. Am I right, sir? Guest: Yes. Absolutely. Receptionist: So, here is the registration card, but you don't need to fill up everything. We will do that for you. Could you please sign here at the bottom? Guest: Sure. Why not? Is that all I need to do? Or there are more formalities? Receptionist: Well, sir, we will need your passport. We will photocopy first few pages of your passport and return you right now. I hope you would not mind. Guest: Not at all. Here it is. Receptionist: Thank you very much, sir. Your room number is 938. It is on 9th floor. The porter will take your luggage and show you the way. By the way, how would you like to pay, sir? Guest: Don't you accept card? Receptionist: Sure. We accept all valid international major credit cards. Guest: That's good. I would like to pay by card. I use Visa. Receptionist: That's great, sir. May I have an impression of your card, sir? Guest: Sure. Here is the card. Receptionist: Thank you so much, sir. Wish you will enjoy staying with us. Receptionist: I do hope so. Thanks. Bye. Guest: See you later. Bye. Hotel Front Office Conversation. Mistakes in the reservation. Guest: Hello. I am Donald McGill. Receptionist: Good evening, Mr. McGill. How can I help you? Guest: Well, I have got a reservation for a junior suite. Receptionist: Just a second, sir. Let me check. I am sorry, Mr. McGill, we don't have any record of your reservation today. Do you have any confirmation? Guest: Certainly. Here it is. Receptionist: Just a minute, sir. We do apologize for the inconveniences. I found your reservation from tomorrow in our record. Unfortunately, we are fully booked for tonight. But don't worry, sir. We will find a suite room in another hotel right now. Guest: That's unexpected. Receptionist: I apologize, sir. Guest: Will it take long? Receptionist: No, sir. We booked the deluxe suite in Hyatt Regency for tonight. Our chauffeur will take you there and we will pick you up tomorrow whenever you like. We are sorry again. Have a nice time, sir. Guest: Thanks for everything. Tomorrow afternoon, I will give a call to pick me up then. Welcoming a walk-in guest. Receptionist: Good morning. How may I help you, sir? Guest: Actually, my wife and I want to have a room for 2 nights. Receptionist: A double room or a suite room? Guest: Actually, I am not comfortable with these hotel terms like suite room. What is suite room? Receptionist: No problem, sir. Let me explain. A suite room have an extra seating room along with the bedroom and a small kitchenette. Guest: Sound exciting, but I guess more expensive than double room. Double room will be perfect for us. Receptionist: Sure, sir. So you want a double room with a bath or shower? Guest: With a bath, please. Receptionist: Okay, then a double room, with a bath will be US $75 per night, with complimentary breakfast, in our Morning Shine restaurant. Guest, that's fine. Receptionist, would you please fill up this form, and sign here in the bottom? Guest, after filling up the form and signing, is it okay? Receptionist, after carefully inspecting the form, it's perfect, sir. How would you like to pay? Guest, by cash. Do you need any advance? Receptionist, that will be fine. Guest, here is US $100. Receptionist, thank you, sir. Here is the key for your room. It is 344 on the 3rd floor. The porter will help you with the luggage. Have a nice stay. Guest, thanks. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.